The Air Jordan 1 High OG Lucky Green is a brand new colorway that will be releasing during 2020 fall season as part of Jordan Brand's women's lineup. Dressed in a lucky green, white, cell, and black color scheme, the Air Jordan 1 is inspired by Michael Jordan's 63-point playoff game in Boston, 1986. It features a white leather base with green overlays, black swooshes, tongues, lining, laces, and also completed with red contrasting accents and 4 inspired insoles reminiscent of the old Boston court. Look for the Air Jordan 1 OG Women's Lucky Green to release October 14th at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $170 US. Now, in my opinion, this is such a clean sneaker, such a clean colorway, you cannot go wrong. I will leave links to places dropping the shoe in the description below, so check that out. I will go over resale, but before we do that, let's just look at this shoe. It's very simple but solid. You got green outerlays, white underlays, black Nike swoosh, black tongue with red accents. You got a white midsole and black outsole. One of my favorite parts about this colorway is the insole. The insole has that court design of the old Boston court, which in my opinion is just super badass. Like, that reason alone is why I need this shoe. Now, the shoe also comes with a really cool little hang tag, and as a sneakerhead, you gotta just love the little extras like that. Now, the quality on here is absolutely A1. Jordan 1s usually do pretty well when it comes to quality, but with this pair right here, I'm seeing a different level, and I think that's gonna cause the resale value to go up. Now, speaking of resale, this shoe on StockX is currently going for around $400. I definitely think that price is gonna drop after release date, but I see a lot of potential with this shoe. Now, I can see this shoe after release going for around $275 to $375. Depending on the size. Lower sizes are gonna do better for resale. So if you're looking just to flip this shoe, go for the lower sizes. But yeah, those are my resale predictions. Like I said, I really like this colorway. I wanted to make the video very quick for you guys, not waste any of your time. Let me know what you guys think. What are your resale predictions? Let me know all that good stuff. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.